In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Microsoft Word with ease, using Google for guidance. Whether you're trying to emphasize key points in a document or simply want to add a splash of color to your text, highlighting is a handy tool that can make your document stand out. Let's dive into the steps to do this effectively. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Word file. This is where you'll be applying your highlights, so make sure you're ready with the document you want to work on. Once you've got your document open, navigate to the Home tab on the ribbon at the top of the screen. This is your control center for a variety of formatting tools, including text highlighting. Next, look for the Text Highlight Color tool. You'll find this under the Home tab in the Font section. The button is quite distinct. It has the letter A with a little highlighter marker on it. This is what you need to click on to begin highlighting text. For those who might be visual learners, imagine a school highlighter pen. That's what this button symbolizes in digital form. After you've selected the text highlighter tool, it's time to choose the color you want to use. Clicking on the Text Highlight Color button will present you with a palette of color options. Here you can select the color that best suits your needs or personal style. Want a classic yellow highlight like you'd find on a paper document? Go for it. Prefer something more vibrant like pink or blue? The choice is yours. This is a great way to organize your document or make certain sections pop. Once you've selected your desired color, simply click and drag over the text you wish to highlight. You'll see the text change color as you move your mouse, confirming that the highlight is being applied correctly. If you decide you want to change the color or remove the highlight altogether, you can simply repeat these steps and choose a different color or select no color from the color palette to remove any highlighting. And just like that, you're done. Highlighting text in Microsoft Word is really that simple. It's an effective way to draw attention to particular areas of your document, helping you and your readers to focus on key information quickly and easily. I hope this guide has helped you become more confident in using this feature. By using text highlights, you'll enhance the readability and aesthetic of your documents, making them not only more functional, but also visually appealing. Feel free to explore and experiment with different colors and see how they impact the readability and presentation of your text. Happy editing, and I'll see you in the next video.